Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Della, designer and digital marketer with 10 years of experience in teaching skills. I want to give you a brief overview of Microsoft 365. You can search for Microsoft 365 or Office.com on Google. Open the website. Right. We've entered Office.com website. First of all, you need to log in or sign in and enter your profile. Page will open for you to log in via email or Skype account. Okay? As you can see, here you have 5 GB of free storage called OneDrive or cloud storage, which is much less compared to the 15 GB provided by Google Drive, about 1/3 of it. If you want to, you can get the premium version and have 1 TB of personal storage. In the Create New section, you can quickly open a new project in any of Microsoft 365 formats. Below, there are 3 tabs. The first tab is a quick access to files and projects that you recently opened and used. The second tab is for files and tools that you have recently shared with your friends, colleagues, or anyone else. This section is also for the tools that you have stored and are your favorites. To start them, we click on the options and select the favorite option. For example, if we enable this option, we can see that our file has been added here. We can also do another thing. In the More Options tab, you can select the Hide option for the tools you don't want them to be seen. Now click here, click on Filters option. Then click on Activity. Click on the Hidden by Me option. The files that you hid will be displayed for you, and you can unhide them to bring them back to the main page. There is another option. Upload is here. And here, where you can upload new files. If you have a file, you can upload it. With this option, you can change the layout to either list or grid view. As you can see on the main page of Microsoft 365, there are some tools on the left side. The most commonly used ones are placed here for quicker access. You can quickly open and enter any tool you want from here. We can choose the Apps option. Go to the Apps page. All software and tools, whether web-based or installed applications, are displayed here. Another way is to select the App Launcher option at the top of the page, and a set of tools will be displayed. By selecting the All Apps option, all tools are shown. It's very easy. Even if you haven't found a tool or file using these 2 methods, you can use the Search tab and search for the name of the software or tool. In the Settings section, there is an option called Dark Mode. Through it, you can change the site to dark mode. If you were satisfied with the course, like the video. Also, let me inform you that we have educational courses on Udemy, which I recommend you to participate in. To view other free tutorials and receive discount links for other courses, subscribe and turn on the notification. Good luck!